Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I was back at Anfield today. Did take my GoPro with me, but I've pressed record and nothing's recorded on it. So yeah, I'm having to do it this way. So thank you for everyone that contributed yesterday in yesterday's video about my views on VAR. So a lot of people had a lot of good talking points. A lot of people agreed with me. So yeah, thank you for not laying into me. I really appreciate it. But it turns out that VAR, the audio from VAR, Liverpool now have, and hopefully it'll be released to the public soon as well. So let's just see what happens on that one now. But it turns out it's been a massive mess up over VAR. Because what happened at the time was Liverpool, when Liverpool scored the goal, VAR wasn't aware that a flag had gone up. So they thought they were just checking to make sure it was onside. They told the referee check complete, thinking the referee would give the goal. But it turns out the referee, once he had check complete, assumes it was offside because the flag had gone up, but VAR didn't know. So yeah, massive mess up. No communication between VAR and the on-field refereeing team. And about 7 seconds later, it turns out the referee was told no, should have been a goal. And you can tell by his face. He was flapping a bit. So yeah, that should have been given. What else happened? Yeah, 30 seconds later, the ball went out of play. So anyway, I'm concentrating on the seats here, by the way. Yeah, there's 8 new seats gone in that I noticed. Eight whole seats. But they are the fancy ones, so they must take longer to put in. Yeah, so 30 seconds later, the ball went out of play. What else? They could have easily turned it round and said, look, that was a goal. Let's restart from a kick-off. But they didn't. So, yeah, it's been a massive mess up. Anyway, let's get back to the build. So these seats yesterday, they were just plonked down yesterday. But now they seem to be, getting more put into place. They're still a bit all over the place, broken seat, but they're in there. Again, I don't know what these box things are, but they must be to do with putting seats in. I don't know. But yeah, 8 new seats in that section. What I will put on screen now is where you can buy tickets for the derby. There's corporate tickets for sale still. So all the the bog standard tickets they get sold out anyway. So you can't tell if they're being sold or not. But corporate tickets are still on sale and you can buy them for the upper Anfield Road for the derby. So that's a promising take that the whole stand could be open. It was a bit windy up there, so I didn't spend a lot of time looking to seats. So I'll come back round and I'll get myself a bit lower. Just have a good look around. It was quite busy on site. A lot of people moving around. But there's no lifts or anything up, no cherry pickers up. But I can only see it was windy, so I can only assume that's down to wind. I'm not too sure. Let's see, there's plenty of people milling around. There's some digging there going on. I don't know what that's for. See, if you look to it's quite a big dig up there, as I don't know why they've dug that or what it's for. So yeah, if anyone knows, chip in. And as you all know, if I hear information that I think is believable, I'll share it with you. Just like when I was told the other day that the Everton game could be a complete sellout. It's believable, so I shared it. It's good information if it is true. Also, I haven't heard anyone say that what I shared about Liverpool contacting the workout themselves. I know Rainer Rowan are in charge of it, but no one said that Liverpool are not contacting the workout themselves. The only issue that one person had really was, if the work isn't up to scratch, who's liable for it? Like, I thought, if Liverpool are contacting the warehouse and they get someone in to do a job and the work's not up to scratch, then surely the people that have done that job have got to fix that job. But apparently, to insurance companies, that's not good enough. There'd have to be a main contractor. Maybe that's why Rain and Rowan are there. I don't know. I really don't know. But someone out there might have an inkling of the legalities of that and how it works. But obviously, the main part of it, as I mentioned yesterday, is getting the seats in, getting that concourse ready. And when I said people were wondering how they're going to get a drink ale, and I was mentioning hawkers, and then a lot of people says, why are people that concerned that they can't drink ale? The main purpose of being at the match is to watch the football, which is true. I get people need to go to the toilet and that's what's going to be the main focus. People are going to be, the workers are going to be getting the bathrooms fitted out, make sure they're working. So you got working ablutions, and the last thing on Liverpool's mind to be, selling ale, because people are saying that they're going to lose money. They're going to lose more money by not having anyone sitting in there, aren't they? So, yeah. And I say people don't know about hawkers either, the people who go around with the beer on the back, topping up glasses or selling bottles. And they could do the same with food. Easy enough. These guys down here, I don't know what they were carrying, but I wouldn't like to carry them in this wind. They'd been blowing everywhere. The guy in front of them really well carrying all what he did. The fella at the back struggled with one of them. But yeah, no, they done well carrying them. Right, I'm going to call this one here, guys. I don't like recording it this way. I like to be doing it as I'm going round, as people know. Again, I just want to thank everyone for all the input that they put in yesterday over the VAR topic. It was, you had your own points. A lot of people agreed with mine, which I didn't expect, so thank you. And the ones that didn't agree, thank you for taking it easy on me. I appreciate it. Yeah. What was I looking at here? Yeah, I was just looking at everything that was, everything was grounded. So to summarise what's gone on today, there's about 8 new seats in. On the right-hand side, where the new seats went in yesterday, they're looking a bit more secure, a bit more straight. Obviously, some need putting in a bit more, but they're looking a bit better than they did yesterday. They looked as though they just plonked there yesterday. The site is quite busy, but again, the wind and rain has probably paid to any brickwork going on. If you like the channel, please subscribe. The subscribers are going up. Slowly but surely, they're going up. And I thank everyone for all the support for that. If you're new to the channel, I don't normally do it this way. I had a little malfunction. I mustn't have pressed the record button on my GoPro. That's all I can put it down to. So, yeah, human error, as we've heard over the last few days and the weekends. Yeah. All comments will get answered unless I've had a really busy day and I don't get round to the comments. I do read them, but I try and keep up with them in blocks, so I'll go on YouTube like every hour or something, and then I reply to comments. If I miss a whole day and then there's over 100, 200 comments, then I'm not going to get round to answering them all because I just don't have the time to do it that way. I know it doesn't make a lot of sense, but it's easier for me to do it in blocks, if you like, answering. Likes are always appreciated as well, okay? And I really appreciate everyone's support. It goes a long way to helping this channel out. But apart from that, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for commenting, and thanks for liking. The support is really appreciated. As always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.